Hi guys, my name's Steve with R.N.G Performance, also known as OG Redneck Garage. And I wanted you guys to meet my team. We're going to talk about a few things, but first I want to say we're looking to hire and expand. We need help. I need fabricators. I need parts specialists. I need a few different people. So if you're wanting to look into a good career, work for somebody who cares about their people and takes care of their people, and if you're looking to grow with a company, come see us Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Stop in, bring a resume, that kind of thing. You know how it goes. But first of all, I wanted you to meet my team. This is Tiffany. She's our store manager slash parts inventory specialist. Here's Miss R.N.G, co-owner. She's the, what are you, the order takerer?
Yeah, the phone.
She's the phone
answerer, yeah.
The order takerer.
Yep.
Then you have Addie over here. You like your job, Addie?
I do.
Are you lying?
Why would I do that?
I don't know.
I don't know how to lie.
Oh, okay. Do you like your job, Laura?
I do.
You like it?
I do.
Okay. Who's the shipping specialist and a little bit of everything else in between when she can. And then you have the all-around American over here. He does everything from A to zinc.
Yep.
And yeah, he takes care of a lot of stuff. He takes care of the vehicles, makes sure batteries are charged up. He washes stuff when I'm not able to, which I think in the summertime when we're all hot, I think we all try to bum rush the hose. We have hose fights. But anyway, Ronnie does a lot of stuff, and then there's me. I keep the show on the road and keep it going and plan things and add inventory to the shelves. We currently have almost $1.5 million in inventory inside of our building. That does not include the machines. That's just parts and accessories. So we are a pretty big company, and we are growing rapidly and very fast. I wanted to give you guys a short, brief history lesson on where R.N.G Performance come from. I, for 20 years, was an automotive mechanic, and Laura was a, what did you do in the hospital?
I did housekeeping.
Housekeeping in the hospital. So she went from flipping laundry to flipping parts. She's learned a lot over the years through me. I started this channel in 2017. I started it out of a carport of an apartment building that we were living in. I built, not my first build ever, but my first build for YouTube was a golf cart out of a carport. And then we bought a house, which we were wanting to buy a house anyway, not really thinking YouTube would take off or anything. I wasn't super serious about YouTube. I tell Ronnie, keep it on the DL, and here I am. So guys, as the years progress and we move on, we got a house with a 6-car garage. It's a pretty big garage, and I started really hammering out the videos, and we have close to 3,000 videos today. And all thanks to you guys, this is where we are. I have over 22 vehicles all bought and paid for. Thanks to you guys, not only my hard work, her hard work, and their hard work and dedication, we now have over 22 vehicles. That's campers, RVs included, 22 vehicles. I think it's like 16 or 17 off-road vehicles. Some are CFMOTO, some are Can-Am, some are other brands, KO, etc. It's all thanks to you guys for your support. We're able to buy these machines. They're not given to us. They're not sponsored to us. We don't have to sell them. The Jay Leno of CFMOTO is what I am, okay? And if I fill this building, I will get another building, all right? So don't worry about that. If I fill this building, I'll get another building. And it'll just be Steve Leno's garage. So, but guys, I want to thank all of you for making everything we do possible. You guys keep all of us on our toes. You guys give all of us a paycheck, and we're looking to expand and give other people paychecks and earn a living and have fun. There's a lot of other YouTubers out there that, you know, do content. There's Whistle and Diesel, and there's, you know, the Diesel Brothers. I love their channels. You got Terrell Fixes All, you got Slaw Dogs. There's tons of channels out there, and there's tons of new creators. And my message to you guys is, your new creators, my message to the new creators and current creators is, if you're looking to get a YouTube channel, do it. Don't look back. Keep doing it. Keep posting videos. Keep uploading videos. Keep pushing. Push your videos. Never be discouraged because you're not getting the views that you think you should or all of that. Just do it. I do it for fun. I could care less about the views and the subscribers. And I love the subscribers. I'm talking like I could care less about the number of subscribers. Some YouTubers get kind of caught up in numbers and money, and they seem to forget where they came from. And by no means am I talking down on any YouTuber at all. There's a lot of them out there. There's a lot of good YouTubers. I personally don't even have cable TV. I just watch YouTube. Straight up is all I do, is I watch my favorite content creators. Terrell Fixes All is the biggest one that I watch on the weekends. And then there's Robot Cantina. Them guys are a great example of not getting caught up in the YouTube fame and the money and all this stuff. The point in my video not only is we're hiring, but also for new content creators who want to get into making videos. And sometimes you don't need fancy GoPros and fancy Sony cameras and Nikon cameras like I have. I started out of my garage with an iPhone 5S or something like that. It was old and it sucked, but it was new at that time. But the moral of the story is, when you do, don't get caught up in, oh, I'm going to get rich. Oh, I'm going to get free stuff. Truth be told, you'll take more pride in your journey if it's earned and not given to you. Yes, I've had a lot of things given to me. Of course I have. And you will too, as you become a content creator and grow your audience and grow your videos and your platform. You can do that too. Just always be appreciative of it. Never get to the point where you're unappreciative. Never get to the point where you're only wanting to do videos if you're getting views or free things. Don't do that. Just go into it as a hobby and keep it as a hobby, and then let it grow naturally and let it do its thing. It takes time. I've been doing YouTube for a long time. I started this channel first in like 2015, and that's when I did the golf cart. And then 2017 is when I started with the CFMOTOs. So, you know, that it's been a long time, and it takes a long time to grow and a long time for people to trust you and get to like you and get to know you. YouTube is an odd place, and when people connect with you, they love you. They love your content, and we love you back. So we appreciate you for sticking around for our content. But I wanted to toss this in there just to give a little bit of information for new people and existing people on YouTube. Never ever get caught up in how much money you can make. Never ever get caught up in how many free things you can get. It's not about getting free stuff. It's not about the money. It's supposed to be about the fun and the community. Keep it that way, guys. We love you. Guys, where else could you work at that is Monday through Friday, no holidays, off on weekends? In fact, what we do on the weekends, we go riding, we go camping, and we have fun. We're not working. We could care less about work. It's not about the dollar to us, okay? I could go back to being poor tomorrow and not give two shits, all right? I'm just letting you know. We're all about family, and we're all about riding, and we're all about getting you guys the parts and accessories you need Monday through Friday. Come Friday at 5, Saturday and Sunday, it's family time for us. So if you want to join our team and have off on the weekends and have paid holidays off, that's right, I said it, paid holidays off. Don't I give paid holidays off? Yes, if you're a full-time employee. And sometimes I'm generous and give the part-time employees money too. We also buy lunches and sometimes breakfasts and sometimes dinner assists. And sometimes we hit up the
And
cans.
Dunkin'?
The Americans or the Mexicans. It don't matter if it's steak or a burrito.
The dunk
The dunk
cans.
cans. Yeah, the Mexicans, the dunk cans. R.N.G runs on dunk can, okay? We love you guys. The moral of the story is it took a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication, not only from us, but also from you guys to get us here today as to where we stand and what we've accomplished. And we want to make sure that you know that you're appreciated just as much as you guys appreciate us and our team here. We love you guys. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one. If you can, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It's free. Leave us a comment down below. It helps the algorithm. This year, my goal is 100,000 subscribers, guys. 100K is my goal this year. And if I reach that goal, we'll do one badass giveaway. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
What kind of giveaway should we do? Maybe a side-by-side?
Is this being recorded?
Yeah, it's being recorded. And I hope it's being recorded. If
Yeah,
not, we
I
gotta
hope
start
so.
over.
Ask if I could turn around instead of being blinded by the light.
Sure,
Yeah,
turn
because we're
around.
all probably looking real funny.
All right, guys. Yeah, we're being blinded by the sun. We're
Yeah.
not complaining. That we're glad the
No,
sun's here.
it's beautiful, but
Yep.
still.
Just like one eye in it.
Yeah, exactly.
Turning my
Like,
head
uh-huh.
different ways, like,
Just give you guys a sneak peek of some of the machines that we have here. And there's still some at the house. I have a CFMOTO 700 CLX that's at the house. I gave my brother that 700 CLX. I also gave my brother a 300 NK, a CFMOTO. We've got tons of machines. And there's still some in the shop. I have a 2011 CFMOTO Z6 EX that's downstairs in the basement. You guys have seen that. And I believe, well, there's the Gen 3 1000 mud build. I'm just waiting on billet engine parts, if you will. And then, you know, there's the Navi, or the Honda Navi, and then Laura's other trike and her golf cart. Guys, we've got a lot of machines. We also have a dyno downstairs where we dyno these machines and do clutch kits and ECU tunes and all that happy stuff. We really appreciate you guys. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.